Okay, today we're going to be installing a virtual of Windows XP on VirtualBox. So in order to start, we'll have to create a new machine. It's just like building a real computer, except it's going to be in virtual. There, we just click next. We type in the name, such as Windows XP, and there we get to set the RAM. Like for example, the default is fine, but I would rather have 300 megabytes. There we create a new hard disk. You can use an old one that you created before, but it's easier to create a new one. And it's going to choose dynamic or fixed size. Usually dynamically expanding storage is fine, just as long as it doesn't cause any problems with the weird OS, but with Windows XP it should work fine. 2 gigabytes is the bare minimum to install Windows XP, so that should do it. And right there is just telling us our summary. There tells us what we did. We click finish and it just created it. Now we need to put an OS on there. We start it, and there it's going to tell us where we can install from. Like for example, we can choose the CD drives. I can put in an actual CD and it'll start from there, or I can choose an ISO. Here's a list of ISOs I have. I'm going to choose one, Windows XP is way down there, and right now it's telling me it already has a copy in there, so I'll just have to look for it. Forgot about that. There it is, down there. Okay, so we click next, and now we just put the CD inside the machine, and it's going to start the installation. It's just like booting up. And usually this is going to take around 2 to 3 minutes until we get to an actual screen that tells us what we need to do. This is the end of part 1. So, after the 2 minutes are up, it's going to bring you to the screen. We press enter to install on the selected space we just created. And after that, we're going to choose the file system format. We want NTFS, quick, is the quickest and best way to go. After formatting, it's going to want to put all the files onto the virtual hard drive. We let it do so, and quickly after it will reboot. After rebooting, it's going to bring a GUI interface, point and click, and the installation will be pretty straightforward. We just put in our product key, name of the computer, users, and so on. So just have fun with it, creating the virtual machine and installing Windows XP on it.